Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Miss Bonnie Faye. You wanna say hi, Miss Bonnie Faye? Bonnie? Bonnie? Wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? She's like, I don't do that trick. So today I have Glossy Box. Glossy Box is a beauty and makeup subscription. You get 5 products ranging from samples to full size. It is $17.50 a month. If you use my link below, you will get $5 off your first box. You know, I put all the information down below that I have. And I want to see what's inside this month's Glossy Box. What month is this? We are in September. This is version 2 of September 2021. And you got a couple ads, a Geico ad, and what is this one? It says, who gives a crap? This is the most you'll think about toilet paper all year. Seriously, 1 box of our toilet paper lasts the average person just under a year. Alright, okay. Who gives a crap toilet paper? I hadn't heard of that one. Anyway, Glossy Box. They come in these cute pink little boxes. Sometimes they'll do a specialty box that's, you know, designed different, but this one is their standard pink box. I think they're cute. They look great in the little cubbyhole shelf, stacked on each other. I use them for all kinds of stuff. Look how pretty they are on the inside too. Very cute. And that's what it looks like. Win Glossy of the Month, an extra treat inside, a sweet addition to your night routine. Clean hands on the go. Hard-working hands still need hydration. Exfoliated and hydrated skin, the latest body and facial care to exfoliate and moisturize. This is pure relaxation. Inside, it has my note from Glossy and my products. Something extra special is coming next month. October isn't just about Halloween. It's time to embrace your alter ego and try out new, alluring, and captivating beauty looks. 2 mysterious special design boxes will get you glammed up and ready to be bold and confident. Glossy Box also has their online skincare now too. And an advent calendar came out, y'all. This calendar is $89. I have been looking, trying to decide if I'm going to get it or not. $89 is a lot. But, you know, what was the Look Fantastic one is like $115. But it does say that it's got 27 beauty products worth $550 in it. And it does have a cute little sleek look this year. I don't know. I'm tempted. Featuring Glow Recipe, Elemis, and Victor Rolf. I'm tempted. I haven't decided. You know how I am with the decisions. So, here we go. And this is what's inside our box. Whoa! Our box. So, let's see what took off running. For Sigmatic mushroom cocoa mix with Reishi chill. Cacao mix. That's not cocoa. I don't know what it is. It's instant hot chocolate. Chocolate and cinnamon. Dairy free. This is the extra treat. The 4 Sigmatic hot cocoa Cacao with Reishi. Treat yourself to a better bedtime with this vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, organic cocoa mix. Made with reishi mushrooms, you'll experience a relaxing evening and a better night's rest. The MSRP on 2 packs is $4. On 10 packs, it's $20. And there are 2 packs in here. So, interesting. Curious to try those out. Next thing I see is Stress Check Clean Hands. Kind of looks like there was a leak. But this is the This Works brand. I like the This Works brand. They have a pillow spray that I just love using. I haven't gotten it in a while, but man, I used to get that stuff all the time. This is a moisturizing, purifying hand gel with 70% alcohol and pure essential oils. This is the travel size. Stress Check Clean Hands. Keep your hands clean anywhere you go. This hydrating hand gel with 70% purifying alcohol, hard-working hyaluronic acid, and a super blend of lavender, chamomile, and neroli will make your hands clean, safe, and moisturize whenever you can get to some soap and water. Whenever you can't get to some soap and water. Sorry about that. This is the travel size, 60 milliliters. It's worth $6. The full size is 250 milliliters, worth $15. I did it again. So, hand sanitizer, moisturizer. That's interesting. Let's get this big guy out. I wonder if that's what leaked. It's got on there. This is Terre de Mars Gel something or other. Reddition Body Cleanser. Terre de Mars. This is a full-size Reddition Body Cleanser. Clean and refresh your skin while nourishing, toning, and protecting at the same time. This organic, low-foaming, aromatic cleansing gel, which is suitable for all skin types, is infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extract, verbena oil, and aloe. The MSRP on this is $23. Dispense into hands, massage onto soaked skin from neck to toe, then rinse thoroughly. Kind of got a spicy smell to it. That may be bergamot? Coffee, rosemary. Maybe it's the rosemary and the verbena I'm smelling. I still don't think that's what's leaked either. I have to wash my hands now. Next, we have a Daily Concepts. We do like the Daily Concepts brand. Get a lot of different things from there. Daily Hammam Mitt Lifestyle Size. So this is ideal for the whole body. Cruelty-free, smart technology. So it's a hand mitt for washing your body. It did get a little bit up, but that's okay. Pull it out so you can see the texture of it. Man, is my light blurring everything out? This says Daily Concepts. This is a full size Hammam, H-A-M-M-A-M mitt. Detox and refresh your skin for a youthful glow. Made for your body, this cloth cleanses and exfoliates at the same time. It detoxifies, rehydrates, and nourishes while stripping and drying out your skin so you can look and feel your best. MSRP is $14. Apply your cleanser to the mitt, then use over wet skin to exfoliate. Avoid using on face. So that's cool. Next, we have David's Premium Toothpaste. I don't think I've ever gotten toothpaste in a box before, so this is interesting. It is whitening. That's something I need a lot of. And it is natural peppermint. David's Natural Toothpaste Peppermint. Freshen your breath with this premium sustainable toothpaste designed to naturally whiten, removes plaques, and freshen breath. David's is made with natural sourced and naturally derived ingredients to elevate your health and oral care. Your teeth will be whiter in no time. This is a deluxe mini worth $4.95. The full size, which is 5.25 ounces, is $9.95. Toothpaste, which is hard to read for me, so I don't know if this is gonna show. Yeah, that's my day. That's the day I've been having, y'all. All right, toothpaste. And last in the box is Astaxanthin Collagen All-in-One Gel DHC Facial Moisturizer. I'm sure I'm butchering the name, y'all, but there it is. This lightweight facial moisture tones, hydrates, and brightens skin in one step. It's powered by Astaxanthin, which I don't know what that is, a natural antioxidant proven to be 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C and 550 times more powerful than vitamin E to eliminate free radicals that cause premature aging. The MSRP on this full-size product is $49. After cleansing and toning, smooth evenly over face daily. I'm a little nervous about skincare. I do have an appointment with the dermatologist coming up, and yeah, I don't know if she's gonna say I can use all this stuff, so I'm a little nervous about that. But I want to see. Ooh. Not much of a smell. Feels nice going on though. No smell. Nice going on. Alright, so that's what I got in this month's Glossy Box. I got Glossy Box. Glossy Box. So they pretty much covered my bases. You have a body wash, a body mitt to use the wash with. You've got sanitizing, moisturizing hand cream. You've got a toothpaste. You've got the cocoa mixes for, you know, to calm you down at night. And you've got a face cream. So, hey, Miss Bonnie. Bye, Miss Bonnie. Like I said, you've really got all your bases covered in this one. This was a decent box. What do y'all think? Did y'all like this box? Comment below. Let me know what you think. If you liked, you didn't like, if you ever tried any of these products. All that good stuff. I love to read it all. Please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and press the notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.